It's embarkation day!
Live your life within the moment. And don't go waiting till
He starts that.
morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us decide a way.
Sabi niya,
This is by far the best travel na ginawa natin.
the happiest girl on earth.
Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.
I'm officially on vacation!
Haven't said
Good morning! It's embarkation day. This is the most exciting part of the cruise. So we're about to check out sa hotel. We decided to take the DCL transportation sa airport. So mag-take kami ng free shuttle from the hotel to the airport. Tapos doon kami sasakay ng Disney bus papunta sa port. Ay, alam mo ba na grounded ang Florida flights?
Yeah.
Nakakita mo? Grabe guys. So, today, meron silang government shutdown and effective today parang nag-grounded yung mga flights to Florida. Kaya sobrang importante to fly a day before, at least 2 days or 1 day before para walang problema. So, imagine if today kami dumating, baka hindi kami umabot. So, for every cruise, make sure to fly before, at least a day before para bawas na yung stress kung aabot o hindi. Kasi marami kaming kasama sa cruise na. So, meron kaming Facebook group wherein several guests might not make it kasi today ang lapag nila tapos parang nasa air sila. Nakita mo ba yun?
Hindi.
Nasa, yung hindi sila makababa kasi grounded yung air traffic control ng Florida. So, ayun, sana makaabot sila pero yun nga, hindi talaga, ang hirap, hindi mo talaga matansya kapag ka, tawag dito kapag ka, yung flight mo within the day of the cruise. So anyway, yun nga, kumuha kami ng DCL transportation. Actually, yung port is malapit lang dito sa hotel. Mas mura actually kung mag-Uber na lang kami there. Pero we decided to get the DCL transpo for $29 per person para makapag-board kami na maaga. Kasi one of the perks ng DCL transpo is you get to board early. Parang boarding number 3 ka kapag ka nakasumakay ka sa Disney transport shuttle. Since first-time cruisers kami, yung order ng mga magbo-board is depende kung how soon ka nakapag-check-in last month. So, yung mga first-time cruisers, sila yung huling-huling nag-check-in. So, usually, yung mga first-time cruisers, sila yung huling-huling nagbo-board. Kasi pagka Disney Castaway Club member ka, the more frequent you sail, the higher your rank is. So, yung mga Pearl members, sila yung unang-una, and then yung Gold yung next, and then yung Silver, and then yung first-time cruiser. Concierge yun. So, Group 1 to board is yung mga concierge, yung mga nag-book ng mga mamahaling rooms. Second is yung mga Pearl members. And then, third is yung DCL transport. Mga kumuha ng DCL transport, which is kami. So, yung iba ng mga first-time cruisers na hindi kumuha, sila yung mga huling-huli to board. Siguro mga 1 or 2 p.m. pa sila magbo-board. We're in kami, mga 10:30 to 11 ang boarding time namin. So, papunta na kami bababa na kami para mag-wait ng shuttle. Tapos, super excited. How are you feeling?
Yeah, excited.
Hindi ka masyadong excited.
Labas ko lang sa CR.
Pinagmadali ko siya, guys. Kasi ang tagal niyang mag-ayos. Ako kasi gusto laging maagang mag-ayos para ready na. Eto, gusto niya. Pag nag-ayos siya, gusto niya aalis na. Siya yung super, ayaw niya na nag-iintay pag nakaayos na siya. Ako naman baliktad. Anyway, pag diretso namin sa airport, hahanapin namin yung shuttle, Terminal 4 ata. Or hahanapin ko pa, titignan ko sa email. nandun yung shuttle, tapos iiwan namin yung luggage doon sa porter, yung malaking luggage namin. Nasira yung gulong. Sana, sabihin na lang natin, na, we didn't have the time to buy another one kasi
I don't think it matters.
Yeah. Baka kasi mag-worry sila na parang, teka, sirato ganyan. Ayun, excited ako makita yung ship for the first time. Akala ko talaga makikita natin kahapon.
Ako hindi ako nag-expect kasi alam ko na malayo yung port.
Hindi, malapit lang siya dito, parang nandun lang banda.
Yeah, pero still, the dock.
Yun nga, parang, kasi may mga hotel na natatanaw mo lang eh.
Talaga?
Oo, akala ko, this is one of them, pero hindi pala. Pero okay lang, mas okay din na first time natin.
Para mas excited ka.
Para mas exciting. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan magandang upuan pumuesto sa shuttle para matanaw natin yung Yun yung iniisip ko eh. Ano sa tingin mo? Feeling ko left eh. Feeling ko pa ganun. Double check ko sa mapa kung nasan yung port, nasan yung airport. Para makuna namin ng video yung ship. Anyway, see you later. Next scene would be probably sa shuttle on the way to the port. See you later. Bye-bye. Guys, we made it to the airport. So, bali, nandito kami sa arrivals area. So, basically, pagdating nyo ng Terminal 1 Airport, baba kayo ng elevator or escalator. Dito sa may baggage claim area, nandito yung Disney Cruise Line na parang standee. May mga tao doon. So, binigay na sa amin yung parang stickers and namin. So, basically, ito yung sa bus, parang kailangan sa bus, parang proof na kami ng DCL Transpo. Tapos ito yung binibigay sa port pagdating namin sa Port Everglades. Just proof na nag-DCL Transpo kami kasi it bypasses the queue basically kasi makakapasok kami agad once we show them this. So yun, nag-iintay kami ng bus. Tatuwagin kami daw yung first shuttle na dadating kasi maaga kami dumating. It's exactly 10 o'clock right now. So, I'm super excited. This is getting so real. So, I'll talk to you later.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every part. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
We're here at the port, guys. Saan ba? 1 daw, diba? Tama ba yung 1? It's Steamboat Willie, guys.
Saan yung picture? Ito.
First time cruiser.
Thank you.
Thank you. Advantage ng DCL Transpo, guys. We get to go in before everyone else. So it's our check-in now. Naka-prepare na yung boarding QR code namin sa phone. Sorry. Ayun. Sure. Thank you.
Number 11.
Thank you.
Hi,
how are you?
Good.
Well, welcome to Disney Cruise Line.
Thank you. We're finally checked in. Nandito na kami sa, saan man tawag dito?
Port Everglades.
No, I mean, boarding gate. Parang sa airplane, parang gano'n. waiting na kami to board. So, check-in process is very easy. Siguro dahil nga kasi naka-DCL Transpo kami, automatic na wala nang wait time. May nakita kami mga nag-iintay sa labas kasi the way it works here in DCL is yung at least 30 days before the flight, 30 days before the ship day, pag-check-in ka online. So, yung pagkatas mo mag-check-in, may oras na binibigay na yun yung basically port arrival time mo. Hindi ka makakapasok dito sa boarding gate or dito sa room na to na kung hindi mo pa oras. Kung kahit super aga mong dumating, mag-aantay ka talaga sa labas. Wala silang maayos na waiting area. Lahat nasa labas silang lahat. So, kung ang path mo, port arrival time mo is 2:30 or like 1 o'clock, hindi ka pwedeng pumasok dito until then. So, since kami, naka-DCL Transpo kami, we bypass that. Dire-diretso kami, nakapasok kami agad dito. Pagdating sa entrance, check-in, pinakita lang na, in-scan lang yung QR code namin, hiningi yung passport namin, US visa, to check. Tapos after nun, security, chinek lang yung baggage, everything. Tapos yun, tapos na, nandito na kami. Waiting na kami to board. So waiting na kaming matawag. Basically, by group ang tawagan yan. Group 1 is concierge. Group 2 is Pearl members. Then Pearl or Platinum. Group 3 is DCL Transpo. And then 4 onwards is yung lahat na. Baga, depende na sa oras na kung ano oras ka nang pag. Ngayon, teka lang, wait announcement.
May have your attention. Yun lang. We just want your attention.
Medyo ano lang, no? Ang na-notice lang namin, maingay. Siguro nga kasi dahil family cruise siya. Feeling mo na talaga dito yung excitement. Kasi, ang daming bata, lahat naka-Disney year. So, kanina medyo ridiculous yung itsura namin. Ngayon, normal. Kasi halos ang daming naka-Disney years. So, ano na siya? We're blending in. Finally boarding! Grabe ang aga. Tignan nyo guys. Ang dami pang tao. Pero kami, boboard na.
Parang mga ano tayo.
We get
Kasama
to
tayo sa
enjoy
first buy.
Yeah.
Ay, ito.
DCL Transpo, best decision ever.
Pa-picture tayo.
5180.
Shit.
Yun na yun eh. Kailan yan?
Gusto mo yung picture dyan, no?
Huwag na, okay lang.
Ha?
Huwag na. Gusto ko lang pumasok. Guys, iiyak ako. FC, yes.
Disney Dream Please welcome our the FC family.
Thank you.
Here?
This one.
Thank you. We're now here at Animator's Palace for our first Disney meal. Here's a picture, quick snapshot of the menu. Nakapili ka na?
Lahat? That's the extra, yeah. I'll have, do you have Coke Zero?
Yes, we
Okay, I'll do
Jackal Sprite, Shirley Temple,
Sure, temple. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Temple and Coke Zero.
Zero, yeah.
Siyempre, tirahin natin agad yung steak. Sliced roasted beef sirloin. We'll do that.
Yun din sa akin.
First meal of the day. Anong tawag sa soup na to?
Seafood and something.
Seafood something soup. And then, for appetizers, all that salmon. Again. While we're waiting for our next meal, let's browse the activities for today. So, let's check out the open house registration. Open house ng Oceaneer Lab. Then, Disney Trivia, I don't know, pupunta kami, depende sa trip. Mandatory guest reel. Sailing. So, makikita nyo lang siya, guys, once na we're on board. Dito lang siya magsa-start lumabas. Ayun yung mga activities for the day. May 4. Okay. Dance party, Cinderella. So, may mga pa-complementary charms sila. Disney Dream at Dusk portraits. Pose for portraits. Ayun, may mga portrait na sila. So, since kumuha kami ng photo package, might as well. Catchphrase trivia.
Magaganito tayo, yung 10% off. Hindi na.
Pag-isipan ko. Kasi may discount tayo sa as Canadian residents eh.
Okay.
Yung inisip ko na parang, I don't know yet. We'll decide. 80s music. Ito Golden Mickeys. Ay, late dining kami. So, yung early na movie yun, kukunin natin. Saan na yun? 5:30 yun, diba? Ayun, Golden Mickey, 6 o'clock. So, we'll take the 6 o'clock. Kasi late dining kami. 8:30 yung dining namin.
Thank you.
That's it for the day.
Are you done? We are sure?
Yes. Thank you. Sabi hanggang 11:30 may ganap. Lang. Mains has arrived. I got a beef sirloin steak. Taras kami. Ready to eat?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
And then let's take a photo.
First meal of the day. Sarap ng libre. Okay. Hindi pa na libre. Binayaran pa na natin. Pero at least, we don't have to worry about saving. You know, we can have all the steaks we can eat. Not worry about cost. Kasi everything is included.
Hindi na
Wait, mo. Sabi niya,
This is by far the best travel na ginawa natin.
bakit?
Kasi, muna sa lahat yung food, part of traveling kasi yung iniisip mo yung gastos sa food. And both of us, we like trying yung mga, like, lalo na steaks, mahilig tayo para sa steak. So we like trying that. And medyo pricey siya pag yung nagta-travel. Kasi yung sa mga pricey na natin sa travel is yung food. So,
Ang sarap yung feeling ng all-inclusive. Yung pagkabayad mo, wala
Kasi-
ka naisipin.
tapos you can eat anything you want, anytime you want.
Oo. Lalo na para sa kanyang every hour gutom.
Mabilis ako mabusog, pero mabilis ako magutom.
Sabi ako nasa theme park kami, gano'n. You have to budget for it. Yung gastos ng pagkain, every day, gano'n. Eto, makaisipin. Even the tips, you can pay
Prepaid.
it in advance. So, wala ka na talagang kaalalahanan. Hindi ba? Bongga.
Tsaka kahit middle of the night, di ba minsan nagigising ako, gutom ako. I can just,
Room
ask for room
service.
service.
Room service is also included. It's part of part of the cruise fare that you paid for. So, diba? Bongga. Mas mahal yung initial labas mo ng pera, yung prepay amount, no?
Pero that's
But
it.
once you're here, the only other budget that you need to account for is for shopping. Kung bibili ka ng merch, if you wanna give additional tips dun sa mga sa state room host mo, sa mga nag-asikaso sa'yo. Although meron na silang gratuities that you can prepay in advance. Pero like, just in case they went above and beyond, pwede kang mag-extra. Wait lang. More than that, wala kayong balak mabili ng merch? You don't really need that much money.
Yes.
Dessert has finally arrived after 48 years. So we got the sail, ano tawag dito? Sail away Sunday, something like that.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard Sunday. So it's good. What did you get? Ano yan?
Chocolate, something,
Parang mousse.
marquee bomb.
Okay, okay. Yan, dyan. Oh, go. Ilang araw niya nang pinapangarap gawin yan, guys. Oh, get the tissue here. Diyan, yan. We're here at the Oceanair Club. Open house, guys. Patay na, may bata na. Let's check out the first room. Have the mobile web workshop. Pagpasok namin dito sa Oceanair Club, nawala na si Paul. Hindi ko na alam kung asan yung... Wala na. Nasa kids room kami, nawala na siya. I'm officially alone. So let's do a quick tour. Spider-Man suit. Property of Miles. Okay, Miles version ng Superman. So maraming mga interactive activities in here. You can do. Sana kaya yung jowa ko eh. Diyos ko dahil. Ayun, kita ko na. See?
Lang.
Ay no, pwede ka mag-ano no?
What?
Mga stand on the marker. Ito. Dito walang ta. This is good. Ano yan? Mga 1-1, player 1. Continue.
See if we can get up to
Ay!
Ano gagawin? Gagayahin mo ata.
Hindi.
Yeah.
Aim with their hands. Okay. Ayun.
Ano yung pinuntahan mo doon?
Is Pixie Hollow. Pixie Hollow. Ano naman to? Oh, I think this is Moana. Moana room. We can only enter Oceanair Lab, guys, during open house. Since pang kids lang siya, and they're very strict about that. So, ito lang yung chance ni Paul na makapaglaro.
Kanina pa ako nag-aantay mga libre to. Gusto ko kasing Kaya pa ako babalik-balik dito.
Ngayon mo lang. Puka dyan, pumilak na.
Wala eh, kanina pa nga eh.
Ano ba ito, Star Wars
Yun yung fan.
area? Yung si R2-D2 ba yun?
Oo. Wala, mukhang nagkukuntang kasi. Wala to, CR lang to.
Cute nga ng CR.
Oo, kaya nga. Tapos, ayun nakboss, tingnan mo yung CR, yung ang baba.
Ang cute! Pati yung inidoron, ang liit. So, we have... Sino to? Si Buzz ba to? Is this Buzz?
Oo.
Buzz, Woody, Happy,
Ness.
ay Joy, si Joy, si Sadness, si Nemo, si Dory, and who's the other one? Who's the last one?
Miguel.
Ha?
Sa Coco. Si Miguel.
Coco?
Si Miguel.
And
Mike.
Mike. Yeah, yes. Oh.
Kainan lang tayo. Huwag na
Dito tayo sa bala. Hindi yan kainan. Tambayan yan.
Parang kainan ito mo, hindi pa rin maalis yung mga bata.
Saan nila doon?
Doon na sila tumira.
Lagi naman kayo dito for the next 5 days.
Alagay ceiling.
Oo, ano. Thanks! We're in Andy's room! Oh my God.
You going to the car?
Si Mr. Potato. Mr. Potato Head.
Pwede mo palitan.
Si Mr. Potato.
Pwede ba? Ay, hindi.
Natatanggal ba yung ilong niya?
Hindi, naka-fix. Saan mo lalagay ito? Wala. Ay, sorry.
Andy's Toys.
Hello? Baka may coins dito. Ay, picture mo ako dito. Picture mo ako dito.
Ah, sige. Ano? Wait lang. May 1, 2, 3. Parang against the... Huwag kang gumanya. Huwag kang tumapat mismo sa lights. Forward ka pang konti. Alam mo yung forward? Yan. Suso ka dito.
Natakpan niya eh.
Dito. Para medyo... Yan. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you. Sabi nila, ikot muna tayo dito kasi
Si wala na nakaupo.
Ayan, dali. Picturein mo kasi picturein mo.
Mabilis ka na yung phone, mabilis. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ay, ta. Thank you.
Ito parang activity area. Ano to? Matching game. So you can play cards, board games.
Already started Toy Story going.
I guess to the Toy Story area.
Cute ng mga CR, guys.
Dito yung mga activities.
Ito yung mga activity. Craft studio. Where you can color. Maraming mga activities. Ano to? I'm a big fan of summer camp. Ang saya, guys. Ito na naman. Ano yan? Ooh! You can steer a ship. Ship simulator. Sige nga, tingnan natin if you can be a captain. Okay, go.
Like this.
Paano daw?
Right in the middle.
Teka lang. Up, down.
Ikot. Ay! Mabibilig mo.
Ano ito ba?
Smash the other boat.
Paano ba?
Hindi tayo dito pumasok.
Oh! Mga action figures, guys. Ng Marvel. Guys, look.
Hey, madam. Start
We
your
found Pepe's room. So that's Pepe's room. It's a... Sino ba si Pepe? Pepe the King Prawn. So apparently, you can call them. You can call Pepe in this number. And they're gonna give you some jokes or limericks. I don't know. Pero, may separate room si Pepe. 5148.5.
Direct pa.
Uy, ask!
Oh, yeah. This
Bukas
was
na ba?
Yeah. 5180. Yeah, we're here.
Open na ata.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's check it out. So apparently, ready na yung room namin. We're going now to our stateroom. Actually, kinakabahan kami kasi we booked a guaranteed stateroom, GTY room, which means it's a cheaper room. Mura namin siya nabili, nabayaran, but they choose the room for us. And the room that we got, based on our research, is not the best veranda room. Kasi it's called the Navigator's Veranda. So category 7A is the lowest category for all veranda rooms. This one!
Yes.
We're here! You wanna check if
Yeah.
our
Again.
magic wand is working? Okay, go. Sige.
Yes.
Works? Nice. Room tour. Quick lang. So, ito yung cabinets, closet, and medyo malaki yung closet nila.
Natanda.
Here.
There's the card.
Sige, open mo na.
These are key to the world.
So, good. CR. So they have a split bathroom. Okay, this is the shower area. Okay. Let me see. Disney Cruise Line bath soap. Sabi nila, bongga daw yung body wash, shampoo nila, and conditioner here. And let's find out. Let's go. So here's the bed. We actually bought this blanket tsaka pillow. In add-on yan, guys. Pinili ko yan. Ayan yung another shelf here. Sofa. Fridge. TV. We also got some robes. I bought this for us also. You have the option to buy some onboard gifts and they will deliver it to your staterooms. So here's that. Have a magical cruise. The robes come with either an alcoholic or a non-alcoholic drink. So you opt for a non-alcoholic drink. Now let's check out the balcony. Balcony. And this is it, guys. The happiest girl on earth. Sobrang saya ko, guys. Ang tagal kong inintay to. So, it looks good. Okay naman pala. I expected the worst. Kasi, wala akong ma-search sa online kung ano itsura ng actual room na to. Yung mga ibang navigators veranda na nakikita ko, maliit lang yung hole, yung ano niya, yung parang veranda niya, yung buta. Parang kumbaga, parang bilog lang siya na pangdungaw, ganun. So, I didn't expect na it's gonna be a full-size veranda. It's really nice. So, magkakaalaman na lang mamayang gabi kung mahihilo kami. Because we're at the back of the ship. We're at the aft area, which is the back of the ship. So sabi nila mayugyug nga daw kasi nasa likod. So malalaman natin yan bukas sa umaga kung makakatulog kami mamayang gabi. So I'll keep you guys posted. Pero now, enjoy mo namin yung room namin. It's about 1:42 p.m. I think the master drill is around 3:30 and the sail away party is at 4 o'clock. So until then, we have some time to rest, charge, enjoy the things that we bought, and see you later. Bye. We're starting to decorate our room door, guys. Ito siya. So this is dish extender. We can receive gifts from other people.
We're also giving gifts. First one. A little boy.
Si Cedric yung una, guys. Kasi nami-miss namin siya.
For those
Wow!
Dito tandaan ko lang kayo.
talk to your stateroom host or hostess about special instructions.
Ano ba ito? Alcoholic?
Life or life jacket are important safety features and should never be used unless in the case of a real emergency. While understanding the safety procedures on board is very fun while doing it. A safety information placard posted on the back of your stateroom door will give you details of the jacket and
Some chocolate.
the life jacket feels snug around your knees. Close the neck collar and ensure that the life jacket fits securely around
Hindi na ako close, sorry.
It's
okay.
Hindi na kaya.
Welcome aboard.
Your attention during this drill is crew members in your area ahead of time if you have any questions. At the beginning of the
Ay,
drill,
ito, warm.
you will hear the general
Hi guys, we're currently in a mandatory muster drill. So, we're waiting for the others. So, it starts at 3:30. Pinaninindigan talaga namin yung Disney Airs. Ito yung mga iba wala ng suot. Wala kang paka. Yung mandatory in-person muster drill sa Disney cruise. So, they won't start unless kompleto lahat. They have to be here on standing. Otherwise, nade-delay yung buong group niya. Bye, Fort Lauderdale!
Come and join us as your favorite heroes, your favorite princesses, and yes, even your favorite villains come together to celebrate the magical legacy of Walt Disney.
We're about to catch the Golden Mickey's show here at the Walt Disney Theater. Obviously, we can't film it, but we're so excited to see it. So, nag-CR si Paul. Hindi ko alam kung asan siya. Nireceive ko lang siya ng seat. So, it's starting in a few minutes. So, sana dumating siya agad kasi sa starting.
Number
80.
80.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, okay. Hi guys, we're now at the Royal Palace for dinner. May mga katabi kami, so I probably won't be able to vlog, pero papakita ko na lang yung mga kakainin namin for today. Nakakaya kasi mag-vlog kasi may mga kasama kami. But I'm gonna show you the menu, and I'm gonna show you what we eat. And then later tonight, pagdating namin sa room, we'll do a quick food review. See you later. Bye. French onion soup. Ano yan? Salad?
Pear salad.
Now on our mains, oven grilled salmon, I think, and lobster pasta, whatever. And Paul ordered the same menu. Thank you. Creme brulee, chocolate, whatever. Ito daw ang masarap, sabi nung server namin. Let's find out. It's good. How do you like your dessert? Good?
Nasa may parang coffee sa chocolatey coffee.
Going back to our room. What do you think is the towel animal of the day?
Elephant.
Oh, feeling ko monkey. Let's see. Let's see. Monkey. Bakit sarado? Ilaw. Ano yan? What is this? Ano to?
Squid.
Squid? What do you think this is, guys? And our room. Hinigyan natin siya. Para siya yung star. First day just ended. After the sail away party, basically nag-take lang. Pumila lang kami for pictures. Tapos, ano ginawa natin? Pumila ng pictures. Kumuha ng complimentary charm. So, every 7 to 8 p.m. may free charm silang binibigay. So, tapos may mga paraffle sila.
So, yun, yung raffle.
Oo, kumuha kami. nakalimutan na namin bumalik ng 7:30 p.m. para sa raffle. Tapos,
So, kung nanalo kami.
sayang, oo nga. Isipin na lang natin hindi tayo nanalo para hindi tayo mabuisit. Tapos, dumaan kami sa Mickey Mains, sa merch nila. May mga binili kami. Siguro sa ibang araw ko na lang i-share yung mga merch nila na nakita namin. Then nanood kami ng Golden Mickeys. How do you find the Golden Mickey show?
Fun. Ang saya niya. Actually, nag-enjoy ako.
Nag-enjoy ka? So, ano siya guys, parang, parang tribute siya sa mga classic Disney movies. Like Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Little Mermaid, ano pa?
Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Ano pa?
Tarzan.
Lion King.
Ano ba yung palabas ni Tarzan?
Hindi ko. May particular movie ba siya?
Tarzan. Parang iniisip ko kung Tarzan yung title. Pero,
so, Toy Story. So, ano siya? Talagang parang nostalgic, show na parang musical show na masaya na nag-enjoy kami. Hindi lang heroes, pati villains. Like si
Ursula, ang ganda ng
Ursula, Cruella de Vil. So, ang ganda. So, super nag-enjoy kami. So, if you're going on a Disney Dream cruise soon, don't miss that show. It's really good.
Although if you miss it, nandun siya sa Channel 29, Walt Disney Theater, which is
pagbalik namin ng room ngayon, nagulat kami na yun yung pinapalabas sa TV. So, if mamiss mo pala, pwede mo pala siyang panoorin sa TV.
Pero iba kasi yung nandun ka sa theater.
Yeah. Iba pa rin.
Kasi medyo interactive yung yung mga host. So, kasali ka sa Yung mga, yung Seven Dwarfs, dun sa Snow White, pumili sila ng, actually, six kids lang. Kasi ando si Dopey So, kumuha sila ng 6 kids. Pinagsuot lang nila ng ang
mga balbas, bigote,
tsaka nung
hat? Yung parang ganon.
Yung parang Santa Claus hat.
Kumuha sila ng kids from the audience. So, nakakatuwa.
Kasama sila nag-perform.
Enjoy naman. And then after nun, nag-dinner na kami. How was dinner? Our dinner was at Royal Palace. So, hindi kami masyado nakapag-vlog. Pero, na-snapshot ko yung mga food na makita nyo kanina.
So, may mga katabi kami.
May mga katabi kami. So, pero yun lang medyo drawback. Yung every dinner, may katabi, malaki yung chance na may katabi kayo. Lalo na kung small group kayo, like 2 or 3. So, nasa long table na 6-seater na table yung sa amin. Tapos may kasama kaming
technically, dapat 6 kami lahat dun sa table. Pero, based dun sa chika nung katabi namin, nag-last minute
cancel daw yung kasama niya. So, naging 5 lang kami. So, okay naman, mabait naman sila. Kaso lang yun nga, medyo awkward kumilos.
Lalo na nauna kaming mag-order. So, kada darating order namin, is that the ganyan?
Saka sobrang nausi ako kasi yung katabi ko, ang lakas magkuya ako biggest pet peeve ko talaga siya. Parang gusto kong hampasin yung legs niya kanina na bufi.
Sabi niya, akala niya akala niya umaalon.
Akala ko sa ship siya na nanginginig kasi yung lamesa.
Yung mismong table nanginginig. So, pag tingin sa kabilang table, hindi naman gumagalaw yung mga drinks nila. Sa amin lang.
Yun yung doon, may malaking chance na you can request. Actually, we requested for private table.
Separate.
Pero hindi siya binigay. So like, you can request pero there's no guarantee. Feeling ko dahil first time cruisers kami. Kasi yung katabi namin, sa right side namin,
apatan yung upuan
nila pero 2 lang sila. Tapos gold member sila. So I think
tsaka naka-reserve na talaga yung seat sa kanila.
I think that matters.
Tinanggalan yung katabi.
Feeling ko pag ka na, medyo higher tier ka na mas priority. Tapos ang bilis nila natapos. Kasi kami, medyo sa dinner, expect din na matagal. So, marang 1.5 to 2 hours ang dinner. Kasi, yung by batch, like appetizers, soup, main course, dessert, like, medyo malalaki yung gap niya. So, ayun, overall, super saya. Naiyak ako sa Sail Away party, guys. Sobrang, kasi nga everyday kong pinapanood siya since September. So parang nung nakita ko siya, nung napanood namin siya ng live, iba yung feeling. Sobrang saya. Lalo na nung narinig ko yung, ano yun, yung, ano yun?
Ay,
Yung horn.
Oo,
Yung parang yung signal na magsisail na. So,
yung, ang tawag sa
ang tawag doon?
Basta yung pot-pot.
Yung
horn ng ano.
A dream is a wish pa. A dream is a wish.
Basta yung signature nandun.
Super. Doon ako, oh my God! Nakakaiyak. Nakakaiyak. Lalo na pag siguro pag first time talagang, parang iba yung feeling. Overwhelming happiness.
Speaking of yung hindi man nakakaiyak, pero nakakaawa. Nung, kasi may group nga sa Facebook, may nag-post na hindi talaga sila nakapunta kasi yung mga plane, Maryland yata sila, no?
Oo.
Yung mga plane
mga
doon, hindi daw
umabot.
talaga, canceled talaga yung flight. So, parang, nakakaawa kasi yung parang sabi nila na parang excited na yung mga anak nila. Tapos, yun.
Na talaga kami, affected talaga kami kasi naawa kami kasi
ini-imagine namin kung
I
kami
can't imagine na kung kami yun. Like, imagine if a day, if nag-fly, we decided to fly on the day itself, tapos hindi kami umabot. Diyos ko, magwawala talaga ako, hindi ko kakayanin. Kasi ang tagal ko siyang inintay. Like, I'm really, really looking forward to this vacation. Sobrang, medyo stressful yung work lately. Tapos parang, nilook forward ko mag-relax, mag-distress. So yun, what are the negatives that you've noticed first day here?
Yung sa lunch, sa Animator's Palette.
Oo.
Ang tagal. Yun.
Oo,
Tapos nung
matagal.
nag-follow up ako, ang susungit niya.
Baka naman nataon lang tayo dun.
Baka
Yung natanungan mo
masungit.
lang.
Oo.
Siguro, wait,
Sagot kasi sa akin, sabi niya.
we're very busy. Oo.
Sabi niya, you wait. It's gonna come. We're very busy.
Ang ganun. Kasi
Parang, I mean, you don't really, I feel like, kasi alam mo yun, nag-service industry naman tayo. So, alam mo yun, parang I wouldn't say that.
yeah.
No matter how busy.
Yeah.
Siguro, at saka ang aga pa nun, parang
Oo.
hindi ka pa pagod. Parang maintindihan ko yung kung medyo end of the day, pagod na pagod ka na. Parang aga mo naman magsungit, kuya.
Yeah. Tawag dito? Nung pagdating kasi namin, we decided to eat sa sit-down dining sa Animator's Palette. May option kasi pwede ka mag-buffet sa Cabanas or umupo. So, nag-decide kami mag-restaurant. Feeling namin that's a wrong move kasi nga ang tagal ng service. So, syempre, since excited kami, gusto namin mag-ikot. So, like, umubos ng 2 hours yung kain. So, kung kung nagkabana na lang kami, nakakuha na kami ng food, ubos na, nakaikot na kami, alam mo yun, mas mabilis yung andar. So, yun yung I think one of the things. Another is crowd. Siguro, although expected naman na dahil nga family cruise to, so maraming bata, madaming
umiiyak.
Umiiyak, natapakan si po.
Natapunan.
Dahil natapunan siya ng bata.
Something na drinks.
So, yung mga ganon. So,
linisin ko pala yung sapatos ko dahil doon.
syempre, tawag dito, expect mo na maraming mga rowdy children, maraming mga...
masusungit na nanay, pinapagalitan. Nung nagpila kami kay Mickey, the entire time na nasa pila kami, yung nasa likod namin, pinapagalitan niya yung anak niya paulit-ulit.
Bakit nga ba nagagalit?
Kasi pumila na sila pala. Tapos parang umalis yung nanay, sinabihan niya yung anak na pumila ka lang, babalik ako in 5 minutes.
Tapos umalis.
Memorize ko na kasi paulit-ulit siya. Parang siyang sirang plaka. As in, sabi ko magantay ka doon. Sabi niya, 5 minutes lang ako. Pagbalik ko, umalis ka. Sabi niya. Tapos ngayon, nasa dulo ulit tayo na. Sobrang haba.
Parang hindi naka-move on si mother. Hanggang sa, malapit na kami kay Mickey. Siniserva na rin yung anak niya.
Hindi naman siya pinapasya. Anak niya, nag-iPad lang.
Yung mga
ako tuloy na, ano ba napaka-negative ng bata ni ate?
Yung mga ganong moments, meron talaga. So, kahit sa Disney Cruise ka, meron talagang mga bad vibes din. Pero, like, we learn to just tune it out kasi parang, yun nga, parang dead ma.
Kaya lang ako kasi nasa likod kasi parang non-stop. So, parang feeling ko, ako ba pinapagalitan mo ate? Ang lakas ng boses niya sa likod ko. Ano ba ate? Parang, gusto ko na siya awatin ko. Ano anak mo? Dinidedman ka naman.
Iyaan mo na. So, pag it doesn't involve us, wag mo nang deadman na lang. So,
Kakasermon niya, nabuhos niya kung ano.
ayun, so yun yung parang mga learnings namin day one. If as much as we can, as much as possible, go to the cabanas to eat para mas mabilis kung nagmamadali. Tapos, lumayo sa mga bagets. Makukulit. So anyway, ayun lang. Tinatapos na namin yung vlog for today. The Embarkation Day vlog. Kasi pagod na kami. After dinner, dumiretso na kami dito. We were supposed to watch a movie pa ng 10:45 mamaya. Pero hindi na namin kaya. So, sabi ko, pahinga na kasi medyo we had a very long day din. Maaga nagising. Yung ang daming Embarkation Day talaga is always the busiest. Wow, kala mo naman, madalas. Pero, yun, parang like, Embarkation Day is the busiest. So, tomorrow is Nassau Day. So, we're very excited. It's gonna be a chill day. Wala kaming excursions na binok sa Nassau. Pupunta lang kami sa Starbucks na nadinig lang niya sa katabi naming table kanina na may Starbucks doon sa Nassau. Parang bibili lang sila ng mag doon, di ba? So, gagayahin namin sila. Punta lang kami doon, tapos bibili lang siguro ng mga magnet or whatever. Tapos babalik na kami dito. Okay? Ayun lang. See you tomorrow for day 2. If you're interested in this kind of vlog, please like and subscribe and comment kung anong gusto nyong makita. Wow. Hindi, kasi may mga upcoming kasi kami mga Disney cruise vlogs pa, tsaka mga Disney theme parks. So, if you're interested in anything Disney, marami kaming nakapila. So, mag-like and subscribe and comment on what you guys want to see. And otherwise, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.